If you want to change sound EQ on the Realme GT 8 Pro, then in this case you will have to go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to use the audio equalizer. So let's use search over here at the bottom and we can type Equalizer or something like that. And of course you should be able to find a bunch of different apps which they have the same purpose. So in this case I'm gonna try to use this app over here. I'm gonna show you how to set it up, which shouldn't be too hard. Feel free to try anything else. So if this app doesn't work for you, you can try to use any other app that is an equalizer. So over here, let's actually press skip in here, and as you can see, we can turn on or off these options. So if you try to turn it on for the first time, you will be asked, for example, grant notification permission. And let's give the permission. In this case, it needs the notification permission so that the app can actually run in the background. This is how it works, apparently. So there we go. We can, of course, tap on the custom over here in order to choose one of these presets that we have in here. So you can try to find your favorite one. You can also create your own preset. So if you start moving it up and down, then of course you can manually adjust it. And we have the bass boost option and loudness option and so on and so forth. Some of these options are pro, as you can see, so you have to actually pay for them. But many of them, and the standard like parameters over here, these loudness of equalizers, of these frequencies, are actually for free, so you can adjust that completely for free. Here we can also find some settings that you might want to use, so make sure to give it a try. Try this app out, and like I said, if for some reason you don't like this app or if it's not really satisfying, then feel free to try anything else that you can find in the Play Store. That is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.